Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the SHIB update. And what is SHIB doing? 3023 is the place where we're trading at this point of time as I'm recording, and it does not look like SHIB is interested to disappoint anyone. At least for now, I can say that with all safety that SHIB is probably interested to go back up to 3576. But there's another thing that I want to tell you, that 3576 is not the only target, but I think that SHIB here is more interested to get back to where it came from. This right over here could actually be met. So you may see SHIB in the next coming few days do something like this and go back up and continue to rise even all the way to the upside. Now the reason being is you perhaps you can say this is probably like a falling wedge, or this is maybe like a descending triangle. Either way, even if it's a descending triangle or even if it's a falling wedge, okay, I'm not very clear on this one. If it's a falling wedge, it's meant to go back up here. If it's a descending triangle, the break happened to the upside, and also that takes you back there. So it doesn't really matter what kind of a triangle this was this time around. But the thing is, the main objective is that this triangle, wherever that shape is, has a technical target back to where it came from, because it's a simple theory. You break above, you go back up to where you came from the start of the triangle. Now this can act as a support moving resistance moving forward, but I don't care. Who cares? Okay, I'm still gonna pump SHIB. I'm gonna pump it up and also kill the zero. So that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.